guys. So you asked about you did ask about I believe you could hear me. You asked about the landing page. What landing page is, whether there is an extra, or when can you say that okay, the landing page is done? When can you say this is not done? Or when can you say I'm done? The landing page is perfect. Now that's a good question. So a landing page is also known as a home page. Now, while building a site, you can decide to have a single page and a multi-page website. So you can decide to have a single page website or a multi-page website. Now, your landing page is the first page that you open when you open Gemini.com. Sorry, Gemini is not Gemini.com. Let's say you open TEFEM.com. The first page you see is your landing page. When you open your Google, your browser, the first thing you see is your landing page. Is it clear? So the first landing page you see is your the first page is your landing page. Always your landing page. So I believe you could see my screen. So the first page you have here is my landing page. If I open dev.2, this is the landing page of dev.2. That is what we call landing page. So if I open my LinkedIn, with loading, and keeps loading. When it loads, the first page that comes up is this is the landing page, my landing page. So let's say let's go to an actual 54.com. And this one we have students landing page. Mhm. So now this is the landing page, TEFEM's landing page, the first page that comes up. Now, good question you asked. When do you know that your landing page is done? Now, if this is a single site, like a single page website, everything that you need to know will be on the page. This is your head section. This is about TEFEM. This is the vision. This is then these are their services offered. Then this is past. These are events about the founder, testimonials, the team, gallery, and that is done. Now on this page alone, you have with this page you have understood what TEFEM is all about just on this page. That is what your landing page is. On the landing page, once I visit your landing page, I should be able to understand what your company or brand is all about. Do you understand? So if I visit the site, I've seen okay, together for a digital feature for ladies, okay, that can be a motto or what. Then there is vision to empower, that's the vision to empower women across the continent. That's a good one. Our 3 years empowering. So this is okay, TFM is it seems TFM is 3 years, 50 facilitators, volunteers, and all that trained across Nigerian states, 3 states, then get skilled in. So these are the services offered. Wow, that's cool. Then up to date, these are the events. This is the events, these are the past events. Okay, that's cool. Then about the founder, this is the founder. So and the message blah 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 and blah. That's it. The testimonial. Who is this? Blah 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 and blah. And what is she saying? Okay, that means the firm has been able to train people that have with testimony. Wow, that's cool. That's awesome. That's great. Okay, that means I can. I mean, wow. So you will now be wondering. So now look at this arrangement. So the next one is who are the team behind all this? So let's take it this way. I want to show you something. Whenever you visit the site, check any site, you see the way it comes. The first thing you have is the hero section where you have something like a slogan or something, a keyword that can describe everything together for a digital future for ladies. It already shows you that whatever that you are seeing on this landing page has to do with ladies, empowering ladies for a digital future. That's that section. That's so here we have about this is a brief about TEFEM. That's just it. This whole page here is about TEFEM. Then here is the services offered. Okay, these are the services they offer. These are the past events we have done. Then this is the founder. Yes, this is the founder, the head pioneer. Then this is the testimony. These people, we have people that were impacted and they have also given us a success story. So we have the team that behind this, the team that puts in all this together. Then we have our gallery, the gallery where we have all we've done so far, all that happened so far. Then that's all. So this is the complete landing page. So that's what you could call a landing page. Okay, find another. Okay, let's see. Um, Okay. So this is one of the brands I work with. So okay, I'm just going to show this, but this is a non-disclosure, right? But let's just go. So now this is the landing page. This is how it looks like. Uh, so this is the landing page. Now the same thing we did for different websites. Let's look at this closely. Unlock the power of massive digital growth for your business. Unlock the power of massive digital growth for your business. This is giving you a clue of this brand has to do something about social media managing and helping you manage your social media, helping you work around your social media thing. Something that has to do with SME, SEO, advertising your business, giving your business all you want. So then these are like this section has to do with businesses like across the years. Then the next section out there is about us, about the business. This is what they do. Read more of them, which they have or hidden landing page. You already- and this is like this is that is being offered. Generate, they execute, and they measure. So we learn more. These are like portfolio, what they do, portfolios. These are portfolio of what past jobs that have been done, clients that have helped. Then these are testimonials of people that work for and the other. Then this is a call to because this page is all about you join startup like a 7 days trial and all that so that you could ignite. This is a call action button for you to click on it and have a clue on what stuff with this thing because majorly this site is calling you to start a free trial to join sign up for the solution that the company offers. Now if you come to this site, this sticker site, what you have here is donate to our course. Then you have donate and register. If you look up here, you have your donate as a big button. When you come to this place, partner with us and register now. So that means we have this site has two major options. The here is this site is majorly for you to read and either you donate or you register, either you support or you register. While here you have you either you are called on to start your free trial, join the to enjoy the solution that the company offers. So that's what landing page is. So a landing page is either a one page, that's the first page that appears on your this thing that describes everything that so there are some sites, all these stuff there might not be working, don't need to work. If it's a single page, I click on about us, it takes me to this place. I think we did that with our all right, let's check out this site in something I could remember just fast, right? This is okay, I'm sorry, I'm sure I forgot I'll be sharing my screen. Uh, so this is now let's go again. I want to show you this. You have So when you have something like this, you you had in the other side, discover your body potential, discover and then I'm so sorry. I didn't know my network went off. Where did you stop hearing from me? Sorry. I can I can you all hear me? Can you all hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, we can
Yes,
hear
we can
you.
hear you.
Can I be here? That's I had to. I'm so sorry. I believe you could hear me. I'm so sorry that my network went off. I didn't know. I can't. I don't know where you stopped hearing me or where I. So where did you stop seeing my screen or where did you stop hearing from me? So I could continue. Hello, Carl. Please, if you could hear me, just give me a thumbs up so that I can know those that are still in class. All right, still in favor. Thank you so much. So where did you stop hearing from me? So I believe were you all following up to the last place, or did I miss anything? Where did my network cut off?
So you were trying to explain the landing page for a gym stuff, a workout stuff like that. You were still talking when it went off.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I don't know what's wrong. So, so I was saying every site has a purpose. Every landing page has a purpose. So if when you look at to know when your landing page is complete is when you look at it you have gotten like okay the full description. When someone look at you just on the landing page, I can get a full gist of what your site is all about and what you want me to do, what your platform is all about. Then landing page is ready to go. Do you understand that? So that is the landing page. So who asked that question? All right, Mesoma, thank you so much for that question. I believe I've explained. So, okay, beautiful. Ask your question.
Sorry, sir. I wanted to ask if is it compulsory for all landing page to have that um home login and all on the nav bar? Is it compulsory?
No, that's called the navigation. So if it's a single page, I think you still need it so that you could use it to easily navigate. But because some people might just really want to go to the about us to know what the company is, who the company is first before they even care about any other thing. You understand? So because of that, you will really have to have it. That's when I could just open this site. Someone said, "Have you visited Enterprise Browser?" I'll be like, "Who is Enterprise Browser?" So once I open the site, the first thing I'm going down to is not anything they're talking about is nonsense. The first thing I go to is the about the company. What's the company all about? I want to get the full gist of the company, what it's all about. You understand that now? That's the whole thing.
Okay.
So
Thank you, sir.
yeah, all right, thank you so much. Just like if you open an e-commerce site, the same thing goes. You the same thing goes when you open an e-commerce site, you get the whole gist from there. All right, Miss Amma, I think you have a question.
Okay, so the way I did mine was it's not actually a one page stuff, but since we have not learned
A
about
multi-page.
JavaScript, okay, it's not a multi-page, but since we have not learned about JavaScript, I wasn't able to like make my other pages. So I just did the one section stuff. I don't know if I'm correct.
Why would you JavaScript? You don't need JavaScript to make any multi-page or multi-section. No, you just HTML. You create it's creating different
Okay,
pages
so I thought
and
I
open.
needed JavaScript to make it clickable.
You have you? No, you don't need. This is anchor links. God, I don't know why. Let me see if I'll switch browser. This is Anchor links. Anchor links, you don't need. Are you sure you have been following up with the classes? No, I doubt. Have you?
Yes, I have.
I doubt. I really
Oh, okay.
doubt.
So
But
at the point, wait, at the point where you need to make like for making your like your website for making your website responsive, there's a nav this thing you have to make at the nav bar. You have to kind
okay,
of use
for
JavaScript for that
mobile
stuff. Yes, from desktop to mobile.
view. Okay, for mobile view. Hmm. Did you search how to use if you can use CSS to do that? No, we didn't search.
No, from my research, from all the videos I watched, it's actually JavaScript they used for it.
But did you search how to use HTML and CSS to build mobile number? Did you search that?
No.
That means you have not explored more. So go and explore. Since you still, oh God, since you still have, you are going to host your the same assignments on Git pages, so you still have time to rearrange it very well, like make it more nice, so that when you
Okay.
host it, so on Sunday, you still have to Sunday to make your changes. So that's why I have to take time to like explain all this so that you could understand it and give it another shot so that it looks more nice, presentable on Sunday because that link, that is what I'm going to be using when you hosted it, when it has been hosted. That's what I want to see. Then we'll look at your file structure for stage one, we'll look at your file structure, file arrangement, and all that. But for the stage two, which is what you're submitting by the end of Sunday, by not it's not on Sunday you start submitting. On Sunday is the deadline for submission. So the submission will start possibly by tomorrow till Sunday. Once the Sunday is locked. So that's for that. So I think we have taken enough time. So let me just all right, beautiful. Ask your question while I open my
Okay, sir. The way I did mine, because I looked at some samples online for landing page, and most of those landing pages did not have those navigation keys, the home and all that. They didn't have it. So I followed that process. So I don't know if I still have to make
no
correct.
problem. Every design is a design, every style is a style. Every
Okay.
landing page must not look the same. There are some landing page that is the difference of the navigation is when you scroll up. It's just one page, just it's one page, but when you scroll, it has the different content of where you're supposed to go. There are many
Yes.
different landing pages and different things. So depending on what you feel like is the text that you want to give. It's your text box that determines how sweet your food is going to be. Because when you test it, you realize, no, this soup needs sugar. You add sugar to it. Why I test mine, I'll be like, oh my, I don't need just salt. I don't need sugar. So so that's just it. Your test board determine. That's why I think there's an article I have on test being the catalyst for creativity. I think we need to read it. I will try to share it because it's your test that determines the creativity, how creative you could be. All right. Oh God. I'm sorry. Would you die?
It's fine, it's fine.
Oh,
Yeah, please, sorry. I just wanted to confirm the hosting of
okay.
a thing. Is it the one we are submitting on Sunday?
Yes, that's what we are submitting on Sunday. Why? That's what we are submitting before the end of Sunday.
Okay, but I'm not sure if I really got how we are going to do that.
Yes, that's what I want to show now because that's the purpose of tonight's class to show you how to submit, how to do that.
Oh,
So,
all right.
so we are going to go by. Okay, let me join again. Mm, So, all right, thank you so much. So we were looking at how to host pages. This is people thanks, um, ah, sorry, this is sorry, network is quite bad. So, okay, I'm going to use this right. Explain two and four. Okay. All right. Let's just keep on right now. So this is my assigned. This is my project. This is my GitHub. On my GitHub, I select my repo, the repo, which is my project. All right, Mojude, go ahead. Go ahead with your question.
Okay, sir. You said this class is not being recorded. What if like we want to go back to it?
Sorry, can you repeat?
You said the other time that this class is not being recorded.
Yes, I'm recording
So I
it.
was asking, okay, you are recording. Okay, okay.
So this is my line, and so this is when you open, you select your repo, select your repo. Sorry, Ajayi, right? Go ahead with your question.
Yes, sir. I just want to get clarification on something. After hosting the website or web page on our GitHub, if you make changes in our terminal or VS Code, will it still affect the hosted web page or website?
So
Sir, did you get that?
can you hear me?
Sir, did you get what I asked? Can you hear me, sir? This is serious.
Hear me. So basically, what you do is this: when you host or this, see any changes, see how GitHub work. Let me explain to you. So whatever you push, it will be updated on the pages on the page. Whatever you push is going to be updated on the pages. So 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 once select your repository, this is I selected my repository, open it this way, then you go to your setting, click on setting. Now this is your setting. On setting, you can choose to rename for those that need to rename their site. This is where you rename your repository. You come here and rename it. Then you go to Git pages here. You click Git pages. You will see pages right beside there. When you click on pages, you see something like Git pages is designed to host your personal organization and from GitHub repository. Build the source, deploy from branch. You already have your branch. Each page is currently disabled. Select a source below to enable the Git pages for this repository. Do we have a service? Man, you select your source, this which branch, that means the branch that you want for the site to be hosted. Just click select main and your root folder. Let's see, click your root. Yes, your root. Then your root folder means where the HTML file is located. Then once you do that, you select docs. Yeah, docs. It's roots that we have. That's our root folder. Then you say save. Once you click on save, you record your site has been saved. So custom domains allow you to serve your site from a domain other than this. So I don't need what this thing. So once this is done, I don't have a custom domain. Everyone has here. Then we are good to go. So I'll have to just refresh the page. So this is your site is live and this is my project. So I'll click to visit and share this tab. And that is what I have on the tab. Simple as this. My project has been hosted on GitHubPages. So I'm going to take it step again. I'm going to take it again. Unpublish the site. I've unpublished the site. Then I'm going to undo done. Right. Then the factor, go back to this point where we all started. This is where everything all started. So I doing this so that you just understand it. So I come to this place. This is my I've opened the project, the repository I want to host on GitHubPages. This is TEFEM Fellowship Project. So this is the work we have been doing in class so far. So that's for the team site. So this is the one we have been doing in class, though it's not updated. It was the last month. That was the last time. So what I want to do now. So here you have your code issues, requests, action, projects. Then you go to your settings. You come to your settings here. You click on settings. Very simple. Your settings, you go to your pages. If you look at the right hand side, your sidebar here, you have collaborations, moderation option, branches, tabs, rules, actions, webhooks, environment, code spaces, pages. You click on pages. Once you click on pages, you have your Git pages. You see, Git page is designed to host your personal organization project page from GitHub repository. Build and deploy. Deploy from a branch. So you are deploying from a branch. That's your source. Then select your. It's always like this. You have it like this. So select your branch. So branch, you have to select where the branch here is known. You select the branch that you want to host from. If let's say you have two branches, you select from that. So you say main, you are selecting from the main branch. Then you select your root folder as it. Then you save it. Once you do that, you are good to go. Then you refresh, you go to your site. Once you reload, it's coming up. Yeah, I can see a lot of hands raised up. Reloads, everything is published. Then, if you now go back to your home page, you have by the side there, you can see 4 minutes ago. So click on this pages, all of that, blah, blah, and blah. So this is the link that you are meant to submit. So this is the link you are meant to submit. This is so here. So this is the link you are meant to submit This is your link. Copy it, submit, or before sun. So this is as easy as. So this assignment possibly I would have said you should submit it this night, but I'm giving you tonight, Saturday, and Sunday so that you can make your beautiful additions and you can add more things to features to your site, make it more to submit something. So, all right, let's have your questions. Let's start with who starts with. All right, it's going first. We have, let me see how many questions we have. Okay, we have Priska. Priska, go ahead. Sure.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead.
And the listen I saw was no, I didn't see mail.
Is it?
And I noticed that when I clicked on branch, because I was following,
Okay.
but when
You
when
saw
I clicked
none.
on none, yes, I saw none, but I didn't see mail.
Now, when you click, did you click on that none button to select?
Selected none, but
There is
you
an
selected mail.
yes, there is.
I can't hear you, sir.
All right. I said this is what I did. You okay? Can you share your screen? Do you have your sister with you?
Yes, I do, but I'm not connected on my system.
Oh, but you said you saw. Where did you see the none? Okay, you have your system in front, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you said here. Let's go back to the process.
Yes, the branch. You know, when you click on branch, you see none, and mine is having none and save. So when I
And
clicked on the none, I could not select main.
do you have any? So do you saw something like this, right? Oh, sorry.
No.
Can you see my screen? Hold on.
Yes, I can see your screen.
This
Yes, this is yes,
this is what you
yes,
saw. Then did you
yes,
click on this place?
yes, I did.
You did not see any. You don't have any branch.
I don't have main. All I have there is none.
That means you don't have any branch now. Have you pushed anything on that repo?
I did, but I just started noticing that it's as if it didn't actually push.
It seems you are using the wrong remote link. Someone has that same issue before. I think that should be more. Well, someone I corrected the person on the Telegram group. Each
That means
project has. Sorry, can you mute yourself because I'm having a callback. Thank you so much. So each project you create. So let's go back. So I'm going to show you something. Let's go to our. So this is project. Let's go to project 3. Oops, what's this? Aha. So now this is project 3. I've created the repo, but I don't have anything. I don't have any branch or anything. This is what I have. So if I want to push anything to this site, to this repo, I have to follow this instruction. So if I have, let's say I have an existing project on my GitHub, I have an existing project on my device. What I'll do, I'll copy this This is my Git add remote origin, this project link. So if I copy this, I'll put this on my terminal first. So now I've connected that project I have on my system to this place now. So when I now use git branch m master, means I'm creating a branch called master. So then I use git push origin main. I'll send it to or populate this place immediately. Do you understand that? That's how to every repository you created has a different remote link. You understand? So if you can't use this link here to upload to another branch or another repository. It will not work. So that's the mistake most of you are making. You are using the same folder. You created one project, and so once what you do, if you're having something like that, there are many ways to do that. Either you remove it, you remove the remote, you use git remote, remove regions to remove it, which I also shared how to remove that on the Telegram group. Or what you do, you create a new folder and copy the files. So now when you copy files, you don't copy the GitHub. This thing does not go with you. You don't copy that. So you now initiate your GitHub, then you commit, you add, you use this first step. Now you understand. That's how you do it. Do you get it? All right, Priska, what do you want to say?
Yes, sir, I think that was a mistake I did though. So now that means I didn't actually submit the assignment. And now the link, I don't think I can do that again.
You can still correct yourself. You understand? You can still push to that. When you make change, you see how GitHub does. You have sent in what you submitted was your the your repository link, right? This link to your
Yes,
repository. That's
sir.
what you submitted.
Yes,
So it
sir.
doesn't change. This is permanent. The only thing that changes is the file content. So you can always update your code. Once you push your code, your code link is always your repository is just there. The only thing that changes is the file content. You only update the file content, and it comes with the date. So this is the last time I pushed this. The last time I pushed to this is TEFEM. The last day I pushed, last updated, the last day I updated this on the was on the that was 1 month ago, which if I check the commit, September 17th of September, that was the last day I pushed this thing here. So I'm going to do something now. Let me just hold on. Let me push through this. Let's play the game. Let me to create. We will do. We will do. So I'm going to share so that you could see what I'm doing. So, let's share. Okay. So this is what I have here. This is the last So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to git add. I've staged. I believe Mr. Manuel taught you how to do this. I just staged I just staged my GitHub. I just staged my changes that I have on this file, and I'm going to use Git commit message and then CSS. I just did that. I just staged that. It's committed. The next thing I'm going to do is git push origin view. Oh, sorry. Everything. It's taking forever to load. Oh, good God. Right. So while we are waiting for this to load, here's how the question loads. So, take it. Okay, beautiful as written ahead. So Florence, oh beautiful, who is going?
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
I've posted the
Uh,
website already. But now looking at the website now, like the fonts are now bigger than what I have while I was working on my local device.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, you said sorry. You said your font are now big. So you need to adjust it. Simple. You understand? Maybe check your zoom. Check your browser zoom. It says your browser is zoomed. You understand? So it says that your browser is zoomed currently. Just check your browser zoom and know. So thank you so much. So beautiful. Your question before I continue about us.
okay, sir. Sir, I wanted to ask, is there a reason why a code cannot be pushed to the main part, like that main? Because mine is always going to the master. I don't know. That's the link I submitted to. It's always going
Master
to the
is
master
men.
when I push it.
So master is men. The thing is, what I did here, let me show you what is here is that what you do here is that you rename on yeah, where am I? Okay, you can see my screen. Now this is code. You see, you can see that I have 3 minutes ago. That's when I last updated this. So now if I visit this project again, it's still that way. This is supposed to have deployment. I'm supposed to have this is a minute ago, last deployed a minute ago. So this is the last comment mistake. So What happened to our project? I don't know. I don't know. Was I didn't even test what we had last. It seems I commented some of these was okay. I'll check it out. So what you do here is this. When by default, this let me open your repository and show you what that thing does. You modify this thing modifies this project three, I think project three. So we have just few minutes to go. So this code here, if you followed through this instruction, when you create a new repo, when you create a new folder, when you do git init, you can choose to commit. So if you have, let's say you have an existing list, see what you do, branch. This code here, this piece of line of code here, converts your master, renames your master to main. That's just the piece of this code here. That's why you now see origin main for the first time. Then after that, you only use push you origin and it happens. You understand? So, but this is what you use to rename your master to main. Ajayi, Florence, do you understand?
Yeah,
Sorry, who asked
so,
this question?
so please,
That was beautiful, right?
Yes,
Yeah, go
sir.
ahead,
Thank you,
Florence.
sir.
All right.
I will not sign in any attendance because my battery is super low and I can log off at any time.
All right. I think let's do something wonderful today. Okay, just hold on. Let me show you the
Please.
next
Um.
assignment. Then I will do I'll have to take the screenshots. I'll do a proper
So can I ask a question?
attendance. All right, go ahead, Christina.
My system did not bring this quick setup. I don't know why, but it did not bring it up when I pushed my code. Like when I created the new repository. Sorry.
When you created a new repo
Yes, it
on
did not bring
GitHub,
this. This quick setup that involved echo hash. What you were talking about?
you oh, I see. There is no way. Okay, let's create a new repo ourselves. Let's go back. Let's create a new repo. This is new repository. New repository. So we have wait, I was talking about giving for another assignment, right? Ah, ah, ah. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. I think I have another project. If TEFEM capstone, capstone project, capstone project. So now with this capstone project, so this is what I have here. If you want to have that setup, so what I did is this. I did not add a readme. I did add a readme. You understand? You added a readme when you created yours. That's why you don't have it.
Okay,
You get?
now I understand. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So when I create the repo without adding a readme, this is I have it. You understand? So I can choose to add a readme on my terminal or my VS Code Wi-Fi arrangement and all that. That's how it works. So that being said, I have to show you your next assignment. Then we call it
Thank you, sir.
call it the night. Thank you so much, Christina. So now, this is your this is your assignment on project two, different project two. So what you are meant to do here is this. So this assignment contains the screenshots of each of the page that you're supposed to build. So inside it contains everything you need for the project. It has why is it not coming out? What's wrong with it? The network is quite bad. You have seen the picture of what was this network thing. Network. Ah, all right, let's see. Network is quite bad. Quite bad. So this one, two, three, four, five, six are the six sections of this website of the project you are supposed to build. You see the top from the top. This is the first one. According the way it's arranged is how it is. You will see the navigation, the hero section, the service section, and all the sections that are on these pages. Then inside this folder called assets, you have all the images that you need to build this site is inside there by default. Every images you need are inside the assets. So you can now add here, this is how you have it. So you have your about picture, the picture that's supposed to be on the about us. So the layout is a one page, you are building a single page website. So the layout is there. Then you have your app one, app two, everything is stated how you are supposed. When you view each of the images, you will see what you need to do with it and where it is. The whole arrangement, the design layout is found here. Why inside these pictures, these are the pictures you need inside assets. So your CSS, you can add your CSS inside these assets too. So what you are meant to do is so you what you have to do is just to come to this place. I'll send you the link. You click on fork. Once you click on fork, I don't know. Yes, and I forked it. Create a new fork because this. So now, if you click on fork, you have something like this. You can rename it restaurant. This is a restaurant. You can choose any name of restaurant and add to it. You understand? So you click on restaurant. When you do that, you click on create fork. Let me change this to restaurant or restaurant. Let's put the rest. So then you say create fork. Uh, the reason is because I can't create my, I can't fork my own repo myself. It's crazy. I can't do that. So let me see if I'm going to select. Oh God, this is information of my company. I have to send this somewhere. I can't do that. So I think I will. So once you just do that on your own page, you just have something like this. You just need to rename the repository and create the fork. Then you have it in your own repository. Then when you have it on your own repository, what you are now meant to do is you could come here and copy this and come to your terminal and your home. You could come here and say cd dot 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 home. Sorry, cd dot dot. This is desktop. So I'm on my desktop. Oh God, I think I need to give you a guide for terminal. So I will send the instructions on how to do this. So let's uh take a screenshot of ourselves. Let me stop presenting. I'm going to take a screenshot of everyone here. So I have so how do we do this? How do we do this? Okay, how do we do this now? All right, I'm going to screenshot every though I wanted us to do. Modupe, go ahead with your question while I.
All right, sir. I don't know if you've actually answered the question because somebody asked, but I've been going on and off because of my network. So, if we change something on our VS Code, is it going to be updated automatically on the GitHub?
No, you have to go to the same process. You stage it, you have to stage it and commit. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
Like the same thing we did at first, right?
Yes, they will send an ID that have to git add space dot. You stage, you git commit, then you git
Okay.
push, then you are done.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So I want to take the attendance now. Oh gosh, let me stop the recording. My God.